All right, so we've been talking about how do we measure time. How do you measure time? We talked about how to tell time, so that the little hand is on the hour, so it's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. And I bet you guys, if you look around, you could spy some different clocks. All right, so we're going to talk about our vocabulary word, immediately. Let's look for immediately. How many syllables are immediately? Immediately. How many? So schedule. Schedule. Do weekend. Weekend. Calendar. Calendar. Let's do occasion. Occasion. All right. So we're going to look in our word search for immediately. And that's a long word. You guys see it? I see it. I see it right here. Immediately. Look how long that word is, immediately. What does that mean? It means you do it right now. Something has to happen right now. Schedule. Schedule, what does that mean? That's right, it means the order of something and the order that it happens. Okay, so just like in school, we have a schedule, or you might have a schedule at home, or you might have a schedule if you're doing some sort of sport or activity. All right, let's find the schedule. You guys see it? I see it. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. Schedule. Let's find weekend. Weekend, what does that mean? That's right, it means Saturday and Sunday. All right, I see it. It's up and down. You see it here? Weekend. All right, calendar. Calendar. You guys see it? Remember, a calendar is what tells us what months, and we might write important dates on there. It tells us the months, the weeks, and the dates, right? All right, let's see if we can find calendar. This one's tricky, Miss Mason. That one's kind of tricky. It's right here. C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. All right, occasion. Remember what occasion? What was that? What did that mean? Right, it means a special time or event. All right, so let's see if we can find occasion. I see it right here. O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N. All right, good job, guys. All right, we're going to read a second is a hiccup, okay? And remember, a second is a hiccup is you can make a prediction, okay? A prediction is a smart guess. So when you get done, you're going to read the story. There's going to be on your slide, you're going to read the story. A second is a hiccup. All right, the next one. I'm going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. Are you ready? Pale. Take off the p, put a s. What's the word? Sail. That's right. Date. Take off the d, put a ul. What's the word? Late. That's right. Lake. We have lake. Take off the ul, put a b. Bake. Good job. We have save. Save. And then we take off the s, we put a k. What's the word? Cave. Good job. Case. Take off the k, put a ch. Chase. Good job. Rain. Take off the put a Main. Good job, first graders. All right, remember we're talking about a long A. Long A says A, and the E makes A say his name, like in snake. All right, let's tap these words out. Are you ready? Ache. Make. How many sounds? 3. That's right. Ache. But it had 4 letters. That E is silent. All right, date. D-8. Date. How many sounds? 3. That's right, but it has 4 letters. The E makes A say its name. Are make and date rhyming words? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs down. They are not. Game. Let's type it out. Sorry, Miss Mason got ahead of herself. Ready? Game. The E is making the A say its name in game. Ooh, right here. Let's type this one out. Eight. Nate. Why is that N capitalized in Nate? It's supposed to be lowercase. No, that's because it's a name. Nate is a name. All right, remember the E is making the A say its name. I'm going to take for this game and Nate. Were those rhyming words? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs down. Those were not rhyming words. All right, here we go. We have plane. Let's tap it out. P-L-A-N. Plane. 4 sounds, but it has 5 letters. So let's spell it. Are you ready? P. So P. O. We have a blend. A. N. And then that silent E. This is tricky. This is an ace. You guys ever seen playing cards? It's an ace. All right. Ace. How many sounds? Right, it has 2 sounds, but it has 3 letters. Okay? So we spell this A. Ooh, and this one's tricky. It sounds like S, but it's not. It's a C. And there's an E on the end. That C is tricky. It kind of sounds like a S, doesn't it? Ace. Sometimes that C can be tricky. All right. Cave. Cave. Are you ready? A-V. Cave. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. What's the first sound? A C. Good job. A. V. And then an E. Cave. All right, let's do the last one. It's a lake. Do you see the lake on the map? Okay. Lake. Lake. First sound is a O. Then we have an A. And then an E on the end. Lake. All right. Good job, first graders. Now let's read the sentences. Remember, you read left to right. Jane chases Tate to the lake. Jane chases Tate to the lake. Let's count how many words in the sentence. You ready? Jane chases Tate to the lake. How many words was that? 6. Good job. Now, we have Jane and Tate. They both start with a capital letter because they're both names. Now, what words have a long A in them? Jane. A says chases has a long A. Tate and lake. Good job, first graders. All right, let's do this one. Dave ate some grapes for lunch. Let's count how many words. Dave ate some grapes for lunch. There were 6 words. All right, I want to know which ones have a long A in them. You said Dave ate grapes. You're right. Good job. Give yourself a big pat on the back. All right, we're going to sound these out. Are you ready? We have make, ache. There are 3 sounds if we spell it. M-A-K-E. All right, let's do the next one. You guys can stand up if you have room 2 next to you and make sure you do this with us, okay? Here we go. Take. Ready? Ache. How many sounds? 3. All right, let's spell it. T-A-K-E. Take. Okay, the next one. A-M. Came. Let's spell it. C-A-M-E. Came. Next one. Let's sound it out. G-A-M. Game. All right, let's spell it. Ready? G-A-M-E. Okay, the next one. Gate. G-8. Gate. All right, let's spell it. G-A-T-E. Gate. Late. Late. All right, let's spell it. L-A-T-E. Late. Chin. Ch-I-N. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Graph. Graph. G-R-A-P. Okay, let's spell it. G-R-A-P-H. Graph. Sum. Sum. All right, S-O-M-E. Sum. And then we have today. T-O-D-A-Y. Today. All right, let's look at our sight words. Ready? This one was, what was it? Away. What was this one? Way. But this one? Now. How about this one? What was this word? Some. Good job. What's this word? Why. Good job. This one. Today. You guys are doing awesome reading your sight words. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Good job. All right. Blank, are you going? Blank, blank, duck. I have blank things to do with blank with frog. I am on the blank pond. So it would go here. Why? Okay, starts with capital W. Why are you going? I think. So we have away, way, now, today, or some. So why are you going away? Today, duck. That's what I would say. Why are you going away today, duck? Got a question mark. I have blank things to do, blank with frog. I have some things to do. Now could go there. Now, or say word now. Now with frog. I am on my way. Good job, on my way. All right. You will also read a story called today, On My Way to School. So make sure you guys listen to that. And we're going to talk about how do we measure time. Okay, you guys are going to read about how the boy is late for school and how he gets to school. At the end, I want you guys to talk about what happened at the beginning, what happened in the middle, what happened at the end of the story. All right, good job, first graders.